Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mortal Shell 2 game controller not working or gamepad not working problem. So the very first method is to restart a PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam and now under library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties. After that, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if gamepad is working or not. If not, come back again. This time select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for device manager. Now expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, you have to restart your PC once and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices. From here, you have to remove a controller. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC and after that again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device. Click on everything else, add your controller over here and after that check if it's working now. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files and once done, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates and here you have to click on check for updates option. Here you have to click on check for updates option, wait for some time and after updating your Windows to the latest version, after that launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. You'll be able to see here as you can see an update option is available over here. Simply click on it, wait for some time until the game is updated and after that launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to enter big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. And here in the above section, you can see enter big picture mode. Just click on it. Now here you have to select your game first and then try to play it. After that, here you have to click on Steam option. After that, click on power and then select exit big picture mode. So after this, try to launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working problem in Mortal Shell 2 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.